And essentially there's nothing else to check my curls. Look at those curls in the back. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm comparing my DIY flaxseed gel with a store-bought one. So let's get into it. So my hair is prepped and I prepped it with the 5-in-1 leave-in spray of argan oil from Husk Beauty. You know where to find it. I'm gonna leave the links here. And I simply divided in the middle, nothing crazy out of here. And well, you guys know that I did recently the flaxseed gel with flaxseed seeds, and I have to say it was incredible on my hair. I remember saying in the video something along the lines that it wasn't gonna hold for very long. I think it gives it like a very natural hold. I don't think this would last more than 3 days probably, and it did hold a whole week, just like any other gel that I have used. I suppose I'm just gonna divide it the same way I always do, because I want to see how the DIY flaxseed gel behaves with actual products, because I just saw that it really did hold my hair for a whole week with no problems. I didn't have to refresh my hair. Maybe I put a little bit of water, but that was it. I'm going to be styling as if I were using any other gel, which is with my styler cream, and this one actually is a flaxseed styling cream. So I'm gonna be using this on both sides also, but the major thing here are the gels. So I'm just gonna grab some of this curling cream and I'm gonna apply it to my hair. And I don't want to waste too much time. I feel like I can do this pretty fast. So yeah, for an experience, I think flaxseed gel really works. And this has been in my refrigerator for a week. I used a little bit to refresh my curls, but it was just fine. It's very slippery. See, I still don't get used to this texture, but it's really good. And it doesn't smell of anything. It's very, very clean. See, and with the styling cream, now that I'm using it, because I've never done it until now, I feel like it's even more slippery than when I use it by itself. My brush, and I'm gonna and essentially there's nothing else to check with the curls. Look at those curls in the back. See, I like this DIY flaxseed gel. It's very simple to make and it's very easy. It takes a couple of minutes. It doesn't take too long. It's just the amount of time that you want to keep it boiling in order to get the consistency that you want. But you can do it like one day and keep it in the refrigerator until you want to use it. And this is the same one I used last time. I haven't done another one. Um, I'm still trying to think about things to do with the seeds because I don't want to throw them away. But yeah, it is much more slippery now that it's with the curling cream. So do you have any idea what to do with the seeds after doing the gel? I've seen some like conditioner or curling cream actually. I'll do my hair and I'm gonna finish this side and I'll be back when I start doing the other side. So I'm gonna do the same on this other side, but I'm gonna do it with the flaxseed gel from Bioland. I have a little bit here. Hope it is enough for my left side, but you can see that I like this gel. I've used it almost all of it. But I did really like this gel when I used it. I was very surprised at first. Like the DIY flaxseed gel, I wasn't sure about it until a week went by and my curls were looking pretty much the same way they did when I styled them. Well, pretty much the same way. You always lose definition as the week goes by, but in general, as an overall look for how the curls were looking, they look pretty good. Like I said, just being a week from the style day, so it's a really good gel to have. I haven't tried any other gels from flaxseed gel from any other brands though. That's why I wanted to try this one because this is already available here in Panama. Very easy to find. Because this side has been sitting for a while. I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter. This won't give any advantage to the gel. Would actually take from the hole that we will create. But this gel tends to be very soft on the hair, so you get strong hold, but very soft to the touch, barely no cast. So we'll see. These are the results. There's clearly a difference in between this side and this side. This side I style it with the DIY Flaxseed Gel, and this side I style it with the store-bought one, also Flaxseed Gel, but you know, from a brand. In this case, Bioland. And I pair both gels with my curling cream, my linseed curling cream by Bioland. Also, it's a curl defining hydrating styling cream from the same brand as the store-bought gel. But you can see that there's a clear difference. I mean, this side, let me just show you up close. Look at the curls on the left. Look at the curls on the right. I feel like the DIY gel makes my hair more smooth, and this one, even though it does look very good, it's slightly more frizzy because it, even though you can see that all the curls are very well defined, it just feels like it's not as the hold is not as strong as in this one. This one just does feel like there's some soft gel in the hair, and that's something that I really like about the DIY Flaxseed Gel, because this just signifies my curls are just gonna last longer, especially because curls tend to get bigger. My hair tends to get puffier because of the humidity here in Panama, and I always looking for something to hold down the curls and keeping them defined without little to no frizz. But you can never I can never have my curls without completely without frizz. But yeah, this is just, like I said, it was just for fun, just to see what a difference would it make, because back then when I used it on my whole hair, the DIY Flaxseed Gel, it just feel like it was very similar to this one in terms of hold, but actually it doesn't. Actually the DIY gel apparently holds more, and my curls on this side look more defined, more juicy, and more moisturized than this side, which probably it's part of the characteristics of flaxseed. And in this one, even though it contains flaxseed, it also contains well, some other ingredients that may be affecting how much hold does the gel would have if they're using flaxseed. So there you have it. I don't know what to make out of this because I like them both, and I said I'm gonna do the flaxseed gel more often, the DIY one, solely because I like the look, and I like how my hair feels when using it. But probably in practical terms, I think I'll still keep buying on trying out new gels from stores and from brands, but just because it's more convenient than having to cook out the seeds and extract the gel and all of that. But I would definitely recommend using this gel. It's easy. You can get a lot, because this is the amount I got from third of a cup of seeds, but this has hold in my refrigerator for a week. I will see how long this lasts, because it would start to smell because it's organic. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!